my name is Dr. WHOLEistic. I am a board certified pharmacist turned holistic health practitioner, and I am here to teach you guys all things holistic health. So if you like this type of thing, please like, comment, and subscribe, and please let me know down below what type of content you would like me to film for you. I would be more than happy to dive into any particular topic. So without further ado, and by the way, this is my first ever YouTube video, so bear with me. I'm still figuring all of this out. So today I wanted to talk about what is holistic medicine versus traditional medicine, because I get asked this question a lot. So I studied traditional Western medicine. I went to the University of Florida. That's where I studied pharmacy, and that teaches you all about pharmaceuticals and sick medicine. Western medicine definitely has its place. If you are sick and if you have a cut and you're bleeding, or if you break your leg and you need a CT scan or an MRI and you need to go to the emergency room, Western medicine is amazing. It saves lives. But if you are dealing with chronic symptoms, if you are dealing with hormonal imbalances, if you are dealing with gut issues, if you are just dealing with autoimmunity and with your thyroid and your chronic conditions, Western medicine doesn't do anything. Western medicine is sick medicine. When you are already sick, it's great. And you will go see the gastroenterologist for your stomach, and you'll go see the dermatologist for your skin, and you'll go to the gynecologist for your hormonal imbalances, and they don't piece it all together. They don't see the patient as a whole. So I love holistic medicine, and you could spell it like whole, H-O-L-E-istic medicine, because it sees the patient as one person and it pieces everything together. And it all boils down to imbalances. When the body is out of balance, it presents with these symptoms and disease. Dis-ease of the body just means that it is out of equilibrium. There is something underlying that is causing the body to exhibit these symptoms. So holistic medicine, and what I try to do for my clients, is to try to figure out the root cause of the symptoms and not just put a band-aid over the issue. You know, if you go to the gynecologist and you have hormonal issues and they give you a birth control pill, that's just putting a band-aid on the issue. That's not figuring out why do you have those hormonal imbalances to begin with. So holistic medicine really tries to dive deep, and it really tries to figure out the root cause. Because at the end of the day, if you have acne and you go to the dermatologist and they just prescribe you antibiotics, or they prescribe you Accutane, which by the way, I've been on both for my acne in the past, or the gynecologist and they give you birth control pill to regulate your hormone. Or if you go to the gastroenterologist for your heartburn and they're just giving you Prilosec or omeprazole or some sort of antacid, all that's doing is putting a band-aid. It's not figuring out what's causing these imbalances, what's causing this heartburn, what's causing these hormonal imbalances. So holistic medicine really helps dig deep and helps get to the root cause. So I believe what this country needs more of is holistic medicine. We need to start looking at patients as a whole, getting to the root cause, finding out what's going on. Why are these imbalances happening to begin with? And to address those root causes, and then these imbalances will actually be resolved and not just have a band-aid solution like a pharmaceutical drug that you have to be on for the rest of your life, or an invasive surgery that's unnecessary. So what I do is I help my clients figure out what's going on. So we do testing. I believe test, don't guess. You don't need to. In modern medicine, you don't need to guess if you have a hormonal imbalance. You could just test. You don't need to guess if you have a candida or bacterial or parasitic infection. You could just test and find out. And that's what's the beauty of, functional medicine, is you don't have to guess. So once you figure out what your imbalances are, you could work with your body to balance them. And that is done through food. Every time we are eating, we are either fighting disease or feeding it. That is a fact. Food is medicine. And what we put in our bodies has such a big impact people don't even realize. So it's like if you have a sports car, are you going to go put whatever crappy gasoline? No, you're going to be putting the highest quality gas that your car requires. And it's the same for us. Our body is our temple, and we should be treating it with love and respect. It's the only body that we will ever have. So while we are on this planet and while we are alive, we should be feeding it nourishing foods that love us back. And I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on the importance of nutrition when it comes to especially balancing hormones and for gut health. But diet plays a huge role. Sleep, movement, hydration. This country is overworked, they undersleep, dehydrated, overweight. You know, we need to really get down to the basics, which is diet and nutrition, sleep, high quality sleep, stress management, and, you know, just living more in balance. And then, of course, supplements. You know, this country, unfortunately, the soil is completely depleted. And while we can get a lot of our nutrients from our diet, and we should, the truth is that we just can't. We do have to supplement. We have to supplement with high quality supplements, which is definitely something that I implement with all of my clients, especially after doing testing and figuring out what they are deficient in. So this is my very brief overview of what is holistic medicine versus Western medicine. While I'm not trying to diss Western medicine at all, Western medicine saves lives. It saves lives every single day. When you are sick, you best believe you will be very grateful to know that you can go to an emergency room around the corner and go get an MRI, go get your leg fixed, go, you know, stitch up your bleeding wounds. Western medicine definitely has its place, but if you are dealing with chronic issues, you can't figure out why you can't lose weight, you can't figure out why your hormones are imbalanced, you can't figure out why you just have low energy, you're not feeling well, your stomach is always bloated, and you know, you're out of balance, you feel it, you're out of balance, you're not your normal self, then holistic medicine and functional medicine is where you will find the answers. So my goal is to help clients figure out the root cause of their imbalances and just to try to get them back into balance and into equilibrium. So if you guys have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to ask down below. I'd love to know what you guys would like me to film. I can answer any questions regarding female hormones, gut health, autoimmunity, etc. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. If you would like to be a private client where I can help you get to the root cause of your symptoms, help you with your inability to lose weight, digestive issues, hormonal imbalances, etc., please check out the link down below where I will have my contact information. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and talk to you soon.